Hey, how's it going, Jay? I don't know why I stuttered with your name. I apologize. How are you doing? Good, good? Heck yeah. Just finished making dinner? Nice. That's fun. The stream's gonna be a little different than our typical streams. Because I typically don't do work stuff like coding on stream. But you know what? It's gonna be fun. We're gonna have a fun time. Um, so yeah, in today's stream, the plan is we're gonna work on a mod. I don't know if we're gonna finish it today. We're gonna try, but I don't know if we'll be able to finish it. We're gonna make a mod. The ultimate goal is to make it so that the mod, so that what happens is if you look at a mob, then it explodes. And every 10 seconds, a mob spawns within your vicinity. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to have a challenge for you guys, and also my friends, where the goal is to try to get diamonds as fast as possible. It's going to be it's going to be like a speedrun challenge, and it's going to be fun. Hi, Teddy, how's it going? And yeah, I just think it would be fun to do that. And I'm thinking we would do two different categories, one seeded, one non-seeded. So I'll have a specific seed that you have to go based off of, and the unseeded one is like any seed, so a random seed. But yeah, I think that'll be fun. And if nothing else, yeah, exclamation point hug. I'm glad you figured it out. If nothing else, you know, at least I can just have this horrible challenge to challenge people with in my back pocket. So yeah, this is what I've got so far. It's pretty much nothing. I've got a constructor right here that I based it off of the example mod that they have. I did make my own package. Gosh, I feel like a lot of y'all probably don't know anything about coding, and so it's gonna be weird. I don't mean that as a diss or anything, but it's gonna be weird, like trying to translate stuff I already know about coding and stuff. I also haven't worked in Java in years. You do know how to code? Heck yeah, let's go. I do. I am actually a software engineer. Well, except for my current job, I'm not doing software engineering, but my previous jobs. Is that coding? You math? Now listen, you don't actually have to do very much math in coding. You have the computer do most of the math for you. I feel like that's a common misconception about programming, is that when people program, I'm gonna turn on my camera. When people program, they assume that there's a lot of math involved. There's like no math involved. I guess it depends on what you're doing. If you're doing like, if you're like programming the way that like projectiles work, then you need to know matrix math, and linear algebra stuff, which is less than ideal. I'm taking a coding class actually. Nice. Used to code a lot, but I stopped, so I forgot a little bit of my complicated codes. Nice. Yeah, I used to code a lot more than I do. I went to college to learn how to code basically, and then I worked in jobs where I did coding for like 2 years, and then I stopped because I switched over to a job that is coding adjacent, really, because I was getting very burnt out by it. You know, just going through a course where you're super focused on coding all the time, and then immediately going into working full time at a job where you're coding all the time is a very fast way to get burnt out of your passions. So I haven't really coded very much in the last 6 months, And then earlier this week, I think on Monday actually, I was just like, you know what? I want to learn how to mod. So and I had motivation. So I pulled up some videos and started learning how to mod. And I learned how to mod GTA 5 and Red Dead Redemption, which was cool. And yeah, then I brought that up on Twitter. I was just like, yeah, it's so crazy. It's actually a little bit more difficult to program to mod like Skyrim and Fallout, those sort of games, which surprised me because I felt like those games, they seemed much more moddable than like Grand Theft Auto or Red Dead. But it turns out, at least for me, it was easier to start modding those two. So my 6-year hyperfixation in coding washed away. It got replaced with TMNT and trying to become a streamer. I feel that sometimes. I definitely feel that. Sometimes it do be like that. Gosh, it would be so weird if my Magic the Gathering hyperfixation went away. That'd be crazy. But yeah, I've been coding since freshman year of high school. So, gosh, that would be... And Undertale, that's a good thing to get hyperfixated on. Oh, when did I start high school? GTA, Red Dead, Skyrim, I'm sorry, do you watch Doug Doug? Possibly. The thing is that those games are also... those games are also very moddable, you know? So... That's why I pulled those ones in particular. They're popular games that are very moddable. Like, if you look at games down here that I've downloaded, if it'll pull up, like, most of those games are not super moddable, honestly. Like, I could mod Stardew Valley, but, like, yeah, I don't know. But I posted about the whole Bethesda Rockstar, how it's easier to mod a Rockstar game, which surprised me. And someone replied, Blue02 replied, being like, have you tried modding Minecraft? And I was like, no. So, here we are. Yeah, this is toasty. This game toasty in here. Me when my hyperfixation went away. So true, so true. That's always the worst when hyperfixations go away. Okay. So, this music's a little too loud for me. Okay. So, I guess we can turn it back up a little bit, and then I'll just turn down my computer volume. Okay, so, I don't know what to do now. So I've got, over here, I've got the Forge documentation, and I am literally just going through and reading the Forge documentation. Me when I got a new hyperfixation. So true, so true. So, first step. So I've broken it up into several steps. First step is making it so that what we are looking at is displayed on the screen. Wait, no. Do we want that, or... I feel like the harder part is going to be looking at... knowing what we're looking at, actually. So maybe what we should actually do... I got a cold, so I think I'm gonna go to bed early. Have a good... Okay, cool. Talk to you later, just normal. Have a good one. You're amazing. So... Actually, thinking about it, I think what I want to do first is I want to have a countdown timer appear on screen, so that every 10 seconds it goes 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that then when it does 1, what we're going to do is we're going to spawn a mob. Because I feel like going from easiest to hardest, displaying something on the screen seems like one of the easier things to do. Spawning a mob, it seems like next most easy. Then knowing what you're looking at, and then exploding whatever you're looking at. I feel like that's the order of difficulty for this. So, yeah. Let's get to it then. So I created an event bus in the constructor for this mod. Oh yeah, and also if I press play on here, then it's gonna run the mod with my build in it. I don't have anything changed in it, so it's gonna be just regular Minecraft. But if it works, what's wrong? What didn't work? Process command finish with non-zero exit value 1. What are you talking about? That's not me. I didn't do anything. I don't think it would have to do with these warnings right here, just because these are just saying that they're not used, which is no big deal. Try again. What is wrong? Let's try restarting. Restarting Eclipse, see if that fixes it. You know, good thing about the rest of the week, Robin, I can actually sit in streams now because my parents went out of town and took my younger siblings. Oh, that's fun. Well, I hope you're enjoying having the place to yourself. Did it not like me moving those packages around? Yeah, I think that's what's going on. Okay, so if we... Nope, not there. That's not what I want. If we move that into that folder, and then click Run. Still didn't work. Do I need to delete this package? What's going on? It was working a bit ago. What's going on here? Alright, let's copy everything. Excuse me. We'll just temporarily delete that file. I don't know why I pulled up the logs util class. Try to run it. Okay, it wasn't the file, but we can remake those packages. Robin dot, what was it? Mob explosion. Yeah, that works. And then new class mob explode. And then boop, accept. Wait, we copied the log utils. Oopsies. Well, I guess we're just gonna start from scratch. That's okay. Alright, so at mod, and we'll add a mod ID in here. Static final string mod ID equals. What did I name it in this file? Bomb explosion challenge. And then this will be. It's good. I can cook for myself and my older brother. Ayo, nice. All right, import. Nope. Import. Okay, then I don't know what we need the logger for, but also why is run client not working? It was working before the stream. Like, what the heck? Run tasks, run client, execute exec. Execute executable is what I mean, but process command. Okay. Process command what? Finish with non-zero exit value 1. Okay, let's Google that. Process command finished with non-zero exit value 1. Non-zero. Okay, let's see. Denotes error during the process. This could be due to some error in the code, which is preventing it from building. Just open the console, rerun Gradle build, and check for exception there. You get an idea what the problem is if difficulty pace. Okay, so console. Oh, I see. Execution failed. Okay, this is the same thing. Oh, we could rerun it with. Oh, I see. Okay. Failed to find system mod Minecraft. What? Is it? Oh, I think it's because the Minecraft launcher is running already, right? Let's see. No? Failed to find system mod Minecraft. Okay, let's Google that. Let's see. Failed to find system mod Minecraft. Run client test fail. Alright. Yep, that looks pretty much like what we've got going on. Why are you... You can't have uppercase characters in mod IDs. Oh, okay, well... Alright, well then in that case... Mod explosion challenge. Well, why didn't someone tell me that? I'm sure it's visible somewhere. Okay. Take 2. There we go. So yeah, as I was saying, you can run Minecraft. Missing data, metadata from moded example mod. The mod file build resources name. Wait, what? Okay. What? Okay, well, we can... Let's just... Is there a way I can just... Get rid of that? No, it's not. I've been programming in Python. Okay. So do that. Now... Resource... Nope, not you. Resources. In here. That's all set up for... this mod now. Now let's try running it. Currently watching Won't Talk, trying to see if I can play FNAF on my tablet. Nice! I'm sorry if I might not be the most entertaining at the moment. I might just be, it might just be a chill background sound today. That's okay. There we go. Mods. Okay. That looks all good. Alright, perfect. So, looks like the mod has loaded. Now we need to actually do stuff with the mod. No, you're fine. I like it when you just chill and talk. Heck yeah. Okay, cool. Let's just copy over the logger, because it will probably be nice to have the ability to log stuff. Then we want to make a constructor. Is it const? No. No. Okay, well. Oh, there we go. Okay. So that's the constructor. I'm so used to programming in C# and programming in Python. I haven't programmed in Java in a while. I know I already said that, but It's just, that's my excuse. Okay, then I want this mod event bus in here. So I would like to be able to manage events and stuff. So if we want to add a listener, we can add listeners this way. And then, yeah, cool. All right, cool, yeah. So now from here, let's try to get a countdown timer. So I've got the, just so you guys know, I'm gonna keep it over there. I'm gonna have the documentation. Well, I guess I could do this. I could put documentation there and the code here. Excuse me. Okay. Okay, GUI components. Any GUI read in craft is instance of GUI component. Most basic methods used to render the most commonly used objects fall into 3 categories: colored rectangles, strings, and textures. These also apply, or there is also an additional method for rendering snippet of it. Enable or okay, we don't want to worry about colored rectangle. String is what we want. Drawn through its font, typically consisting of its own. I'm gonna have a different. That's on a different tab. Also, if you want to mod Minecraft yourself, that's the website I used to go step by step trying to figure out how to do this, and it was great. It works. FNAF works. Or wait, I'm assuming it's FNAF, right? I don't know what FNF means. FNF. Friday Night Funkin'? What is FNF? Oh, it's Friday Night Funkin'. Donationware rhythm game. Released in 2020. Interesting. Ah. It's got Sans Undertale in there. I know his name is just Sans, but I think it's funny to call him Sans Undertale. Okay. Nice. That's fine. Okay. Draw centered string. I don't exactly know what it means by hash draw centered string. Maybe I should read more of the documentation first. Okay, get started. Structuring your mod. I'm pretty sure I've got this all set up. Yeah, I've got that all set up, I believe. Core concepts, okay. Registration. Process taking the objects in the mod. Excuse me. Making them known to the game. Registering things important. Without registration, simply will not know about the objects, which will cause unexplained behavior. Alright, makes sense. So, if we make a new object, we need to register it. That makes sense. Deferred register is recommended way to register objects. Allows convenience of static initializers while avoiding issues. Okay, so where would you put a register? Would you just put it in your mod? Oh, wait. Oh, it would be it's the registry object, and then you do blocks.register. Oh, okay, gotcha. So this is the new object that they add, and then this registers it. It's the blocks this dot register context get mod event bus. How does this? Oh wait, I see. This is where it adds. Adds it to the deferred register of blocks. Okay, gotcha. Hi Casey, how's it going? I'm making a mod to torture people. It's not torture people. But making a Minecraft mod to challenge my friends for, and it's gonna be fun. Doing good, I just finished painting a mask. Yo, that's awesome. Registries are forestry. Registry. Oh, so alternatively, we can make registry event fired for each registry after the mod constructs. Okay. Gotcha. Send it in Discord if you want to see it. I absolutely want to see it. Let's see. Do you mind if I put it on the stream? I'm assuming that you're fine with me putting it on stream. That looks so cool. That looks really cool. It's so spacey. I love it. It's also it's like spacey, but then it's also got like water on it. That is very cool. I really like that. Okay, refreshing registered object. Got a can of Dr. Pepper, and then I've got water after that. These objects should not be stored in fields when they are created or registered. They are to be always newly created and registered whenever a register event is fired for that registry. This allows dynamic loading and unloading of mods in future versions of Forge. Registered objects must always be referenced through registry object word. Okay, so if I were to create an object, I'm not creating objects, or like creating objects to the registry, but this is still good stuff to know. Using object holder. Registered objects from registries can be injected into the public static fields by annotating classes or fields with object holder. It's gonna hopefully be hung with some other masks downtown once I turn it in. Oh, that's awesome! Yours was a late entry since my mom only used the mask to make a cast for hers. Yo, that's cool! It's really cool. Well, I hope it gets hung up. It looks really cool. You should be very proud of it. Okay, sides. Okay, client and server side. I mean, client side is what you're playing, right? But if you want to damage player every time they click your block or have your machine process dirt into diamonds, you need to only do so after ensuring client side is false. Oh, I see. So if you do damage on the client side, then it's going to cause problems on the server side because it's not caught up. Gotcha. Reason versions remove sidedness attribute from this. That means your mods are expected to work whether they are loaded on physical or client or server. So for one-sided mods, you would typically register your bench handlers as unsafe when on. Okay. It does not forbid the user from joining a server that is lacking that mod. Therefore, display test property. Okay. I see. Normal version means your mod will not cause red X if it's present on client's server. This special case it should only be okay. Wait, I want to make a mod that only works on the client side. I don't want this to be activated on the server. Today was a very art-filled day. I finished 2 posters, the masks And I'm working on something for a future video right now. Nice, that's awesome. I'm also working on something for a future video. That's awesome. It's always good to have a productive day. Hi, Ninetail! Hi, Brevity! You both appeared at the same time! Wild. Whenever you want to send information from one logical side to the other, you must always use network packets. I just want... events. We'll just skip ahead to this. Okay. Forge uses events bus that allows mods to intercept events from various vanilla and mod behaviors. An event can be used to perform an action when a vanilla stick is right-clicked. Main event bus can be used for most events in location Forge event bus. There's another event bus for should only use a specific. We won't use this. We're only going to use. Wait. Why are we using this right now? We're using this right now. We don't want to use this. We want to use this. Okay, let's see. So then in that case, we want to do craft forge. Oh my gosh, excuse me. Dot event bus. Dot get. Wait, what were you doing over here? Besides getting the wrong event bus. Okay. Get. Oh wait. Do we do dot get? Minecraft Forge dot event bus? Are you learning to make a forge mod or fabric mod or learning both? I'm learning how to make a forge mod. Rabbity, I feel like you're going to be the most... Here you go, Ninetail. Hug. You're going to be the most helpful in this. Sorry I'm a little late, but how are you doing, Robin? I'm doing good. We have arrived. Hi, Earth and Rabbity. Man, no frogs. Wait. Oh my gosh. Why are the frogs turned off? The frogs are back on. I think I won an argument today, so I see. I want Froggy Hug. Of course. But yeah, I'm making a forge mod, and so the plan is here. You know what? Maybe here's what I ought to do. Here's what I ought to do. I should make a text box that I can just say is what, or like yeah. I should make a text box that just says what we are doing. Let's see. Text. Oh, that's real big. All right. Creating a mod that explodes entities when you look. Oh wait, no. Explodes mobs when you look at them. And background light opacity to it. Let's make this like nicer color. No, that's not a nicer color. I don't like it. That's a nicer color. Can I add padding to the background, please? I guess not. But yeah, that's what we're doing. So that's what we're trying to do, at least. Let's see. How are y'all doing? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Pop frog indeed. Strange end to my day, but I'm okay. I'm glad you're doing okay. Okay. So, creating event handler. All right. I guess we can make our first event here. Public, or no, private. Private void on look event. Register. Wait. Which one is the event? Oh, whether it's Forge Bus or Mod Bus. Which one would it be on? Okay, wait. So Forge Bus, main event bus is located there. Specific events located that should be only. Okay, so Mod Bus. So we want to do register event. Then we're gonna display. Wait, on the look we explode things. If mob explode. And then we're also gonna make a way to, we're gonna try to make a countdown thing that counts down to 10. That actually might end up being more difficult than I thought it was gonna be. I'm not sure. And then, oh, then we would do .register. Okay, that's how we do it. On look. Why are you not working? Oh, wait, I see. We need to make a separate class. Do we need to make a separate class? That seems a little silly. I should go because I gotta focus on my work, but I hope you and chat, all of chat, have a lovely rest of your stream. All right, cool. Have a good one, Casey. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Instance of the class the event handler is within. You want to register this handler to mod specific event bus. Okay, so we would make a new class. That would be on. Okay. Explode on. And then in this class, this is where we would do at mod.event. No? Oh wait, gotta import mod first. .event bus subscriber. Mod ID equals mob explosion dot mod ID. Bus equals bus dot forge, I suppose. Where's bus? Where'd the bus come from? I don't see a bus. Value equals list dot client. Well, at least that one's picked up. Dot forge. Where is the bus? I don't know where it's getting a bus. Is it just a static value that they have? I mean, wait. Because it wouldn't be, because this doesn't have a dot bus. I guess we can, for now, we can just do Minecraft. Also, watch the Defunct Land video you posted in Discord a little bit ago, since it has been my recommended for a little bit. It seemed very cool. It was really interesting and was very cool. Heck yeah! I'm glad you enjoyed it. Which one did I post? This one? This is a very good video. Yeah. It's funny. I was watching it in I had it in the living room while I was building furniture, and I just had it in the background, and I was so enamored by it. I stopped building furniture several times to just watch the video, just being like, "Oh my gosh, really? Like, what? Who is it gonna be? Who is it gonna? Oh, they're looking for this person. Who is it gonna be?" And then, like, I was just it was so captivating. It was such a good documentary. Have fun coding. Thank you. I think I'm gonna head off for the night. All right, cool. Have a good one, Jay. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you. Yeah. Have a good time zone. Absolutely. Have a good time zone. Listen to Rabbity. Listen to your mother, kids. Where the fuck do they get the bus stop forge? Thank you for the hug. That one was free. You're welcome. Okay, class may be annotated with... Oh, this automatically registers the event handlers. Okay, so this isn't urgent. I'll just win the mod itself. This is equivalent to adding that at the end of the mod class constructor. Okay. Okay. I see now. I see. This is not required. This is just... That makes things... That automatically registers it, but that's not actually what we want to do right now. Not letting me give more hugs. Oh no! You can only do so many hugs at once. I think it has a cooldown, but if you do it again, you'll probably be able to. Okay, bye-bye. Alright, have a good one. Talk to you later, Jay. Okay. Reading through documentation and trying to figure out what to do based off the documentation is a really tricky way to code, honestly. But literally, here's the thing about modding, from what I've learned, is that if you search how to create mod in Minecraft, you get videos for the mod called Create Mod. And you search how to make mod in Minecraft. Like, I guess this one actually seems to be helpful. But like, so many of these are just straight up just like, oh, this is actually just how you add mods to Minecraft. Now that I'm Like, I feel like I've gotten it so ingrained now that it's actually starting to do stuff, show the things I want. But this sort of link right here is the typical thing that appears. Or like, yeah, and this one too. It's like, why? Why did you make a mod called create mod? Like, that's so irresponsible. So yeah, that's my frustration. Okay, so let's see. You do public void. Oh, then you do the type of event. This is weird. Okay. This is kind of weird. Create is pretty cool mod, but I understand the pain and I'm giving hugs. Thank you. I appreciate the hugs. Okay, so look at mob. So what event? Wait. Okay, do they have a list of events? Sub-events. You always see clock. Okay, I want to know what events are available. Resources? Not helpful. Game effects? No. Resources? No. Wait, maybe. Like, just a list of events that are possible would be fantastic. So let's see. If we do, okay, what type are you? Message. Okay, you know what? We'll come back to this later. We'll come back to that later. For now, we're gonna come back here. I'm not gonna worry about registering that yet. Where do you come from? Registries. Okay. Net.minecraftforge.registries. Wait, this is only going to be events regarding. Yeah, only going to be events regarding registering stuff. Fires for each forge and vanilla registry when all registries are ready to have their modded objects registered. Okay, so that was a waste of time. Let's see. There is a potion brew event. Wait, player event. Let's look at that. All right, what? Why are you not? Importing. It said there's a player event. Okay. List of events, Minecraft. Is this what I want? Become pregnant. Why is that the first one that I see when I'm scrolling through? I was like, wait, you can become pregnant in Minecraft? Become cow. I don't think these are the right. This is Bedrock Edition anyways. Minecraft. Maybe the wiki has helpful stuff. Unofficial mods? Mods. Client-based. Custom clients require mod loaders such as Forge or Fabric. Because ignores custom content on client side. Yeah, I don't want it to work in multiplayer because I think that would be pretty tricky to try to play multiplayer when you just look at a mob and they explode. You look at each other and just... Program and editors. Modding. Okay. Okay, this is not exactly what I want. That is not at all what I want. Oh, tools for installing. Can I please? Tools for installing them. Okay. What are you looking for? I am looking for a list of events that I can trigger. Because what I want is to find an event that triggers, or find an event that triggers when you look at certain things. And I want to see if that's even possible. I mean, it should be, because if you look at Enderman, then it triggers their whole thing. So there should be an on-look thing, right? Large Minecraft on-look handler. Events. Detailed explanation. Tick handlers. That might be helpful. Tick start. Okay, start catch word. When an item drops downwards X amount of ticks. Just drop an item. Increment a variable every tick where variable set to Y. Oh! Okay. This works with the timer thing that I was talking about. You have to subscribe to a tick event. Okay. So with this, let's just rename this. We'll just rename this class to Ticker. We're gonna do the countdown thing again. Excuse me. Alright. Let me rename refactor. That's right, refactor. It's been so long since I've worked in Java. Okay, Ticker. Now, do at or subscribe event public void world tick event. Okay, this is a client tick event now. Let's also import that, please. Thank you. Okay. If event phase equals tick event phase end, then right, let's make a little int ticker equals 0. And oh, do I need? Am I supposed to capitalize it? Oh no, it's just because I haven't not using it yet. Ticker. Can I do plus plus in Java? Yes. Okay. And then print line. I don't know how How do you do that in... There's an easier way to do it. Okay, system.out.println. Okay. So now every single moment it ticks is going to print to the console, which is at least something. Let's make sure this works. Oh wait, we need to register this now. So... now we go... what was it? I'm gonna, like... excuse me. I'm gonna get this down. Okay, minecraftforge.eventbus.register. minecraftforge.eventbus.register. Ticker. Wait. Because you input a class, right? Object target. Okay, how are you doing? Alright, let's look back at the wiki. Let's see. Like I said, I'm learning, so you guys are gonna have to deal with me not knowing how to do things. Or you can tell me how to do things, but you know. Oh wait. Creeper. Object owner. Annotation is present. Will look static required. Registry is not specified in field. This is not gonna work. Okay, I was thinking that was a way to look to see if the thing is a creeper. I also don't know how coding works at all. You know, fair enough. I know how coding works. I'm just getting a refresher on Java on the fly. This is part of the reason why coding for or why I was like, holy cow, this is gonna be so easy for Red Dead Redemption and GTA 5. It's so much easier because it's in C#, which I know a lot better. So, because I've used C# within the last year, so like I know the basics of what it is and how it works, but I can't really code anything or stuff like that. Fair enough. I mean, that another thing to just keep in mind is that like coding is a skill just like any other skill, really, in that you just need to... This feels like this is a completely different article than I was looking at before. I don't know why, but I don't know. What was I saying? Oh, and we wanted to do this anyways. We wanted to do deferred register. Okay, what was I saying? Shit. I do want to learn coding sometime. Yeah, it's just like any other skill where you just, the more you do it, the more things click and stuff, and the better you get at it. So it's like, there are great classes online. Code Academy. This website is a great way to learn how to code. It's free, and they have lots of good courses. I recommend Python for your starting language. I know you probably want to do Java because Minecraft stuff, but I do recommend Python first because Python is a lot more friendly of a place, and then going on to Java later. Personally, I like Python the most, then C#, then Java. So yeah, that's my personal order. But if you're going for programming and for making mods and stuff for Minecraft, then you'll want to do Java eventually. So yeah, but still start with Python because Python makes the most sense. It's intuitive, and you don't have to do all this fancy class stuff in Python. I can just be like, okay, let's create a new window. I can just be like, all right, let's make a new file. Let's make a Python file. Sure, why not? Print hello world and run that. Sure, we'll save this in my downloads. Why not? And wait, no such file. We just barely created that file. Okay, maybe I'll actually do it in a folder. Let's see. We've got this roller thing. We won't do that. All right, new file. Hello world. .py. You print hello world. There. That's it. That's how you print hello world in it. You can also just run Python. And just be like print hello world inside there. And you can be like, all right, x equals 100. X divided by 4. X equals x divided by 4. And then you can just be like, all right, print x. And then it gets 25. So like it's super easy to use. Python's great. As opposed to Java over here, where you have to have, all right, if we wanted to make a hello world in here, just for an example, we'll just do hello world. This all looks intimidating and stuff. The only thing that matters is the name right here and the modifier. Public just means that you can access it anywhere. Package means you can access it within this folder. Private means you can only access it within the file itself, and protected, I can never remember. And then, so once you create it, then you've got this .java file, you've got a package, and you've got a public class. And then if you want to do hello world, you need to do public static void main system.args. I don't remember. Oh, I don't remember. It's been so long. What is it? Is it system.args? E. And you go. Then system.out.println hello world. What is the main? What's the arguments for main? I don't remember. We gotta just run this file specifically. Okay, well, it won't let us run it because we've got things set up differently, so I'm just gonna delete that. But yeah, like I think I illustrated my point though. Python is a lot better to start out with. And I definitely recommend Python for beginners. Yeah, I'll definitely check it out. Thanks. Of course. Yeah, the website is codecademy.com. Okay, back to Minecraft. Register event. Okay, we don't want to do this. We want to do deferred registry. Okay, let's figure out what the hell it's referring to by deferred registry. It's the recommended way to do it. So, got private static final deferred register type block called blocks equals deferred register dot create forge registries dot. Oh wait, there's a whole bunch. Okay, interesting. Is there an events one? Items, mob effects, particle. What we could do is just add a mob effect to everything. Is there a way to just add a mob effect to everything and make it so that the mob effect is on look, they explode? That might be easier. If that already exists, that might be easier. World carvers? Okay. Sound events. Potions. Particle types. Painting variants. Mob effects. Yeah, I want to look at mob effects. But for this example... well, okay, actually, if we're going to be doing mob effects anyways... Let's see. What type are the mob effects? The game effects. Particles. That's gonna be different, I'm fairly certain. Yeah, that's different. Sounds. I mean, creating sound event. Block state. Oh, my brain is turning into jello. Okay. Excuse me. Capabilities, save data. Okay, I'll go home. GitHub. Are the docs here? Ooh, yes, the docs are here. There might be more documentation than here. Probably not, actually. Probably the same exact documentation. Okay. There's legacy, though. Okay. Game test. Yeah, no, that's not what we want. I really just want to mess with mobs. That too much to ask. Rendering / model loaders. Okay, we'll go back to GUI. Screens. And there needs to be an identifier which specifies where it will appear. Numerous abstractions, most of them X, Y, coordinate plane, X left to right, right, far near. Coordinates not. If you choose fixed coordinates. Okay, don't do that. Let's see. So don't use fixed coordinates. Makes sense. Strings. Drawn through its font. It's like, is there just a way? Minecraft Forge. Is there a way we can just see what we have access to? That's what I want. MDK. Main. Resources. Okay, that's not what I want. I just want to know what I can do. What are my limits? And where can I find a list of everything I can do? I want a list. Give it to me. You cowards. Okay. Let's just go back here. Okay, we already got all that stuff. Why don't we watch... Maybe we could watch just a video on how to make a simple mod. We can follow step by step as they create some simple mod. And I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. But then we'll do that. Okay. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. The fruit is dancing, this is true. I needed to use the restroom real quick, so I just wanted to have something to entertain y'all while I was gone. We'll leave the fruit to dance for a second. Once these two hop off stage, we'll switch over. You're welcome, everyone. We're having a little fruit dance break. Look at them fucking go. Did I steal this idea from my from one of my best friends? Yes. They just sometimes put censored videos off. All right, well, thank you guys so much. Really appreciated your guys' performance. So, oh, that's not what we want. Okay, let's get previous music back up. Okay. You know, honestly, this music is not doing it for me. Loudness warning, everyone. Oh, I expected it to be louder. Yes, it. This is the true coding soundtrack. If you can stop begging long enough, code that is. I have like 4-hour long streaming playlists, but I just don't ever use it because I like the game music. So true. Okay, I'll stop playing Doom music because a lot of y'all watch this to relax. But the Animal Crossing music was starting to get to me, so I had to switch over. Something else. Hmm. What music do we play now? Legend of Zelda. Let's do that. Majora's Mask. Let's listen to Majora's Mask specifically, because that OST is full of bangers. Oh, we could also hold up. I actually let me pull up the Inscription soundtrack. That sounds fun right now. Actually, that might be a little bit too. Well, we won't listen to the spookier songs. Majora's Mask was my first Zelda game? Heck yeah. It's one of my favorite Zelda games for sure. Specifically the 3DS port. Yeah, a lot of people got their start in Zelda on that one, actually, I think. Let's skip ahead to Leshy's theme, actually. Actually, if I'm honest, I just want to listen to the Scribe songs. Okay. Wind Waker at my dad's friend's house while they played Catan and MTG, I got to use the GameCube. Nice! That's fun. That's probably a little bit loud. Alright, let's set it there. Okay. So... I think that type of block. But we actually want mob effects. Oh yeah, we want capital mob effects. Okay, so change this to mob effect. Or that instead. We don't need block. Mob effects. Okay. Now. Okay, so wait. World effect, mob effect. Let's just reorganize it. Imports. So. I want to know what I can do with the mob effects. I just can't find anything saying what I can do with the mob effects. Which is a little frustrating, I'm not gonna lie. Look, handler, Minecraft. Fix all the errors with import net.minecraft. Minecraft.forge.star. No. I don't know how big Minecraft Forge is, actually. We could do... That's lazy, and then I can't just have things called mob effect. It has to be, like, what? Like, it would be registries.forge registries.mob effect. Like, we could just control-shift, though. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Mob effects Minecraft. Maybe we can do that. Minecraft. Forge. Forge Community Wiki. Okay, this might be a helpful. This might be a helpful website. No. Why don't they have any organization on this website? No easy way to access things on this website. What the hell? It would affect performance later. It's fine. We don't need to worry about that. Okay, creating a mob effect. You can create a mob effect using two methods. First creates a regular mob effect and applies logic in some event method. Other method involves extending the mob effect class and overriding specific methods when needed. We might want to do that. Maybe. There are 4 methods. No, we don't want to override anything. No, we do want to override Enderman. Look. I don't know what. Okay. So, is it extends? Oh god, I don't remember. Yeah, okay, extends mob effect. Wait, no, we don't want to do this here. Let's make a new class. Mob. Is that loud? That looks a little... it's a little loud. Turn it down a little bit. Not that. Okay. So, explode. That's what we're gonna call this class. And it's gonna extend mob effect. Extent. There we go. Import that. Add constructor. I don't know what G_19451 means, but I'm glad they've got that set up already. They've got the super. Okay. So if I do, what do I have access to already? That's not how Java works, is it? Override. Nope. Okay, this music's not it either. That music's not it. Tired of that music. Celeste? Let's do Celeste. Not that one, I'm kind of tired of that one. It's just like, I wish there was, like, documentation, like, a list of what methods exist in mob effect, so I can mess with it, rather than people just being like, oh yeah, just do tick event, world tick event, like that sort of thing. Like, what? How would I know that? Tick event, Actually, player tick might be better. Thank you for the hug. I appreciate it. Okay, you know what? We've got the ticker working. That's right. We were gonna add it to the deferred register somehow. That's where we got on this big sidetrack. So registries. No wait, events. This is the okay. Okay, and this is a subscribe event. Got that set up. Let's print that. register it, use. Comment that out for now. Minecraft Forge dot event bus dot register dot 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 instance of the class with the event handler thing. Okay, so ticker t equals new ticker t. Okay, so that. Okay, now let's try running Minecraft. Save exploding. Run Minecraft. Minecraft's all booting up. Single player. Test world will allow cheats just so I can mess with stuff a little bit better. Game rules. Create no world. I'm keeping it in the small screen so we can easily swap between the two and so we can see the console. Speaking of looking at the console. Okay, it's working. The console is working. Okay, so that means the tick event is working properly. Okay, and it only works when we are in the game itself. When we're in the menu, it's not ticking. So that's good. All right. So we have that. Okay. Know the ticker is working. That's great. Do %60. We're just gonna assume they're doing 60 frames per second. So this will just show every second that plays. Because each tick is each frame it does. So I guess there's probably a better way to do that. It would also mean that anyone playing with a better computer gonna have less good time. Okay. How many frames per second do I have? Wait. What's my FPS currently? 120 frames. Oh, I see. I see. Is there a way to show FPS? There is a way to show FPS, right? Isn't it in here? I thought there was. I guess not. Okay, so, but if we lower this down to 60 FPS. Okay, it's... Oh wait, the %60 is... I'm a dingus. It's the other way around. I was... It's the other way around. I was thinking %60, but I just meant divide 60. Because %60 is showing the remainder, so it's like how many frames until the next second. So it's doing the opposite of what I was thinking. Okay. So now, if we look at the console, yeah, it's doing 0, 1, 2, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8. It's a little slow, but you know, it's okay if we have it as a little slow, actually, honestly. Wait, so is it actually doing more than 60 frames per second then? Because it should be. Wait, no, it's doing less than 60 frames. That makes sense, actually. So, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9. Okay, whoa, auto jump is on. Let's turn that shit off. Oh my god. Auto jump off. Hate that. Okay. But. Okay. Let's also turn off music. So we got Celeste music playing already. Okay. So we got the ticker working. We've got one event doing one thing. We did it, everybody! Let's go. Okay, so, is there a way to get frames per second? Let's see, let's do private int timer equals, or I guess we can do a final. So final time. And that's going to be 60 frames per second. We're doing 10 seconds, so that's going to be 600. And then we're actually going to do, wait, okay, timer. Max timer. And this is going to be equal final static. Keep that, make that static. Okay. So then, okay, yeah. And so we're actually going to minus this. And if ticker is less than equal to 0. I don't know why it would be less than, but just in case, we set ticker equal to max timer. Run that. Okay, so let's pull up the console. Back to game. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 9, 8. Okay, so then it goes back to 10. Perfect. Let's actually do divide by 6 and then make it a float from there. And then divide it by 10. That way we can see point what, how many seconds, etc. So let's run that, try this. Single player. Locked by another... There isn't... Oh, I didn't quit this one. Alright, try that again. Yep, okay, so there you can see it weird at 6, 5, etc. Perfect. Now the thing is that the way it's set up right now, it depends on performance. So if we were to, let's say, boost the max frame rate up to unlimited. Oh wait, our seconds are actually still going by the same amount of time, right? Yeah, that's still pretty slow. Okay, so maybe the tick value isn't for every single frame then. Interesting. Hello. Why are you... Oh, you want to kill the sheep. That's fine. I don't want all the volume down. I thought I turned off just the music. Just the music. Okay. Okay. So now we've got that ticking down in the corner. Or in the console. Fantastic. Now I want to make a widget, I think. How to put text on screen, Minecraft. Get your text on screen. There's a video. I don't want to do a video. Okay. Show. There's a GUI object. Okay. So what we can do. Wait. I'm not sure how this is going to work. All right, but I'm going to try. So let's do name timer. Let's finish that. We're going to make, or we're going to have this extend GUI. I don't know if this is interesting to anyone. I've just realized this might not be very interesting to anyone, but I hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm just chilling. Chilling like a villain. Hopefully the video that comes out of this will be entertaining at least. Or the stream or whatever. Okay. So I don't want GUI event listener because I just want to show something on screen. What if I do mod event bus subscriber? Mod construction. I mean, I don't think this is an event. We just want this text on screen. So private static string. No, we don't want this private. We want it public because I want this to be out. I'm enjoying the stream. Coding is very interesting to me to watch, even though I don't always understand what is going on completely. No worries at all. And if you're curious about anything, I'd be happy to explain how it works. String. So string is like a string of text, by the way. Just like string of letters. So, yeah. Text equals nothing because we update this. So here's the thing. If we update this text right here, how's it going? It's going good. It's going good. Timer text equals bye. Wait, no, wait. I want this here. And we're just doing this right here. These shenanigans here. Text float? No. Do we need to do the classic trick of adding an empty string to a number so then it actually works the way you want it to? I guess we do. Hydrate, thank you for the hydrate. Appreciate that. Okay. So now we have that. I guess we need to add color as well. Dynamic int color equals 0x ff. Because that's just hex for a big number. Private font renderer equals font renderer. That's what people are saying. No, just call it font renderer. What am I doing? What am I doing? Item renderer? That's not quite what we're looking for. Oh, 3 more hydrates? Alright, cool. Got more, but Twitch is being a butt. Hold on. I see. There's 2. 3. 4. Change to frog renderer. There's a frog renderer? Amazing. But there's not a font renderer. Is it just font? Let's just do control space. That one. It's just font. Font. Okay. And then... Excuse me. I'm just going based off someone else's code, and then I'm gonna... You know, actually, this code seems really out of date. Just looking at it. Oh, it's from Minecraft 1.11.2. We're on 19. There's this video, but I don't... Okay, let's watch this video. So we're just gonna mute it. Oh, they're playing Minecraft Pocket Edition too. That's not what I want. I don't want Minecraft Pocket Edition. What do I look like? A Pocket Edition? Oh wait, I didn't add Forge, did I? I did add Forge too. I search. Render text. Forge render on screen. Text to client screen, but all tutorials talk about block or items are GUI when right click on a block. All I do is render text on screen. Render, you need a tick handler. We can, okay, so we can add it to the tick handler we've already got then. Though I'm safe. We don't, let's just get rid of this. Okay. Oh, I was a little worried for a second. We'll just do string text equals that. Just for a second. Oh, the way this person's doing tick handlers is way easy. Oh, it's from 2011. That's why. But I think the others, they have font renderer in there as well. Apparently font renderer doesn't exist. Is it just font now? What are you complaining about? What do you want? We're just gonna go back here. Here. Okay, then I'll stop complaining for a second. Wait, I'm sorry. You can do... Hold up. Is it saying we can do private or public ticker Minecraft? Okay, so and it would be Minecraft MC equals Minecraft dot get Minecraft. Okay, I'm guessing get instance is what it is now. But there's seriously just Minecraft.get Minecraft. Incredible. Incredible. So we can just get Minecraft. What can we do once we get Minecraft? You can look at chunk visibility. I'm sweaty. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Do you need some water? You just woke up. Fair enough. Do you want a cold pack? I can get I think I have a cold pack in the fridge. If I don't, we really should get one. Good, thank you. I love you though. You're the best. No problem at all. I just want to make sure you're doing okay. Okay, let's see. Now that we have collected Minecraft. Frame timer. Okay. What does frame time mean? I don't think it wants to tell me. Painting texture, partial tick. Okay, here's my thought. If we get the frame timer, then what we're gonna do, we gotta have Minecraft. All right, before we do anything, we gotta go. This is the main home for everything, so we gotta collect Minecraft here. Minecraft. Oops. Minecraft. And then Minecraft equals Minecraft dot get instance. Okay, now we have collected Minecraft. We have thrown Minecraft into a variable for us to get the values from. Let's do mob explosion dot Minecraft dot get delta frame time. Oh, that would be helpful. Let's see. Minecraft get delta frame time. So if that works the way I think it does. Okay, so yeah, delta frame time keeps track of how much time has happened since the last tick. Hell yeah, all the dance. I don't know why none of your emotes are working, Rabbity, but we love popping off all the pop-offs. I don't know. Your Wi-Fi's not working. That's not good. I'm stealing all the Wi-Fi. I need to upgrade the Wi-Fi sometime. Did I tell you about that, Holly? Freaking, okay, Xfinity emails me. I'm telling all of you about this. Xfinity emails me being like, hey, by the way, you've reached your 1.2 terabyte download limit. I'm like, what? Did that message send? I sent that like 5 minutes ago. You sent it 2 minutes ago, according to my clock. And I got it 2 minutes ago. I just didn't read it till now. But yeah, so basically Xfinity emails me being like, hey, you reached your 1.2 terabyte limit. I'm like, I didn't know I had a 1.2 terabyte internet limit. And they're like, yeah, so we're gonna waive the charges this time, but next time we're charging you $10 per 100 gigabytes that you go over. I'm like, oh, is there a way to not do that? And they're like, yeah, if you give us $15 a month. I'm like, I'll do that. So yeah, I know, right? I didn't know the Wi-Fi had limits either, but apparently it had a limit of 1.2 terabytes. So yeah. Okay, delta frame time. I'm actually not sure what this is gonna be. So let's just print the delta frame time for now. And we're gonna see what that means. Because my thought is that it's either going to say how many frames happened since the last frame, or how many seconds happened since the last frame. I guess milliseconds. Or, I don't know. Well, let's see. Okay. So that's how many seconds are happening between each frame. Let's set the max frame rate to 30. Max frame rate 10? Oh god. Can you imagine playing like this? Okay, I was expecting that to increase the number. So if we did that. Is this? Oh. Okay, it did increase the number. It just wasn't scrolling anymore. Okay. Froggy high five. There you go. Oh, pronoun check. Heck yeah. Me totally not forgetting everyone's pronouns. That's okay. Any pronouns? Awesome. She, they. Fantastic. Any pronouns but for she, ze, they. Hell yes. High five. Give me. I did give you. I'll give you another one. That one's for free. You can also... No, you can't come in here. I was about to say, you could come in here and get a high five, but then I was like, no, I don't want to touch you. Sicko. I love you. Okay, so... No, please. Exactly. Okay, so... That is subtracting... from every second. So what we can actually do is go ticker minus equals mob explosion dot Minecraft dot get delta frame time. So then every tick it's gonna subtract that, and then okay. Let's try that. Oh, we gotta close this game. Sicko. Shut the fuck up. I just gotta tease you a little bit. Obviously, you didn't choose to be sick. It would be pretty messed up. But you being sick first means that if I get sick with what you've got going on, then you'll have to help me out because you'll be immune. Hi Snow, how's it going? That was a weird time to pop in, I'm sure. Just Yeah, how's it going? We're modding Minecraft. I'm doing Minecraft things. It's so right now what I'm doing is I'm making a countdown timer in the console. I didn't press make it print. I'm stupid. Um, Bird gets abbreviated for frog now. This is canon. So true. So true. Ooh, that's fun. Yeah. So I was thinking, Snow, if you would like, um, I am making a mod that is going to be wild, and how the mod what the mod's gonna do is it's gonna make it so that anytime you look at a mob, they explode, and every 10 seconds it spawns a new mob. So I was wondering, would you like to participate in me having this challenge where you try to get first person, or so I'm trying to make a speed run challenge for trying to get to diamonds with this mod on. Oh, I'll cry. Oh no, I don't want to make you cry. I just I just thought that this might be a fun challenge. Also, we need to make ticker afloat. I'd be like, ooh, a little cat boom. Oh no, you're right. Robin, look what you've done to Snow. Repent. I'm sorry, Snow. I won't make you cry then. What if I make it, well, I guess then I can't just make all the mobs not explode. Screams. We must protect Snow at all costs. This is true. This is true. Snow is very beloved and very much deserves protection. All right. Well, then maybe I could try something else. Maybe the mob effect one was the one I was thinking of. I could make it so it's just certain blocks make it explode. Can you make only passive ones not explode? Is that possible? I don't know yet. I've been messing with this stuff and trying to figure it out, honestly. And I have a goal in mind, but I'm not sure if I'm able to make it so it's just not passive ones. That would also mean that every 10 seconds a hostile mob is going to be the one that spawns within you. I was thinking just making it a random mob of any type, so you could just get pigs for a while, but that means every 10 seconds a creeper could spawn right by you as well. So that would just make things equally challenging, or even more challenging. I was thinking you were going to turn every mod act like a frog, then have frogs act like another animal. Make it so that every single animal in the game is a frog. Well, if we can figure that out how to do that, that would be awesome. Everyone would have to be vegan though, because like getting meat would be nearly impossible. This is true. This is true. Because how are you going to harvest the meat without? And it's also gonna like the idea is that it would be a speed run anyways of just trying to get diamonds. So yeah, or get to the Nether. I'm thinking either diamonds or Nether, one of those two. Frog world indeed. So I guess if you're trying to speedrun it, like, food won't matter as much anyways. But I don't know. I guess it depends on how hard it is. How hard it is to get diamonds or get to the harvest the meat. I mean, also, actually, I guess the question is, if it explodes, will it still drop the food? Because either everyone would become vegan or no one would be vegan, because you look at them, they explode and meat is everywhere, and you're like, oh no! The mod sounds very interesting. If you're alright with it, I would love to try it once I'm done. Yes, absolutely. I mean, a creeper doesn't. That's true. That's true. Everything is frog. I would also like to make it everything is frog mod. We'll see about that. We'll see if I can do that. But I'm working. This I have no basis on knowing how to mod, except that I already knew how to code. So, yeah. Okay, anyways. So, not anyways, but, like, so let's see if this timer works now. Oh my gosh, please make it the tiny frogs instead of the Minecraft toads, though. The toads are great! What are you talking about? The tiny frogs are amazing. This is true. But the toads are amazing. I'm gonna refresh because my audio and video are completely desynced, but I think that's just my end. Oh, I hope it's just your end. Let me know if the audio and video isn't synced. Other people. No, the toads are great. I just like small. That's valid. Small is great. Okay, so let's see. Console. Back to game. Oh, I didn't do print line. Okay, let's do print line. Also, it kind of looks like... I don't like how big of a very... That doesn't look right at all. I do not think that's correct. Indeed. Alright, let's try again. Oh, we gotta quit. Alright, ads are over. Video/audio seems to be fixed. I think it was just a me issue. Okay, good. When you have learned to code, please teach me. I know how to code. I went to college to learn how to code. It's just I don't remember. I don't know how to code Minecraft specific stuff. And I would love to teach you. That would be fantastic. Also, Envy, what was that emote? Wait, which one was that? Is that a mayonnaise emote? Amazing. Okay, let's test this. Let's see. Console, please. Work the way I wanted you to. Okay. Why are there negatives? Also, that's going way too fast. Okay. That's going way too... Oh, because I set it to 10, not 600. I want it... Or... Okay, so that's not every second. Then... Also, NB, it's 5:30 for you. Yeah, it is 5:30. Yeah. We appreciate you stopping by, but also we very much appreciate you getting the amount of sleep you need. I'm Envy. You said my name. I did say your name. Hello. How are you? This is my day so far. Wait, what? I'm confused. Okay. Let's see. Can we get the timer to work properly this time? Okay, that's promising. And then ticker by 60. So then that should but really what I want to do is do divide by 60 divided by 10 because I wanted to turn this into float after we divide it by 6. And then divide it by 10 so that we get it. So it's going to be like 9.9 seconds rather than 9.9543254 yeah, etc. Been on the Minecraft parkour grind all night. Oh no. I feel that. I definitely get just super sucked into specific games and stuff. So I definitely feel that. Okay, let's see. Console! Please work the way I want you to. I want to close that. Okay. I think that was way more than a second. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4. Okay, so let's try, I think. Also, what are you coding? Okay, you can see it in the top right, but I'm creating a mod that explodes mobs when you look at them. And I'm trying to make I'm gonna make a challenge so that Um, I'm gonna like I want to have like get my friends involved in this, and like all of you viewers, I want you to be able to participate in the speed run challenge. I want to make a mod yeah, so that all mobs explode when you look at them. And then the goal is to try to get to diamonds or get to the nether. I think one of those two. Yeah, one of those two. That's so cool. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. We're froggies. Robin wants chaos. This is true. I do love the doggos. I do love the cats. And I do love the froggies. But that's just why you don't look at them. Just don't look at them. Avoid looking at them and they won't explode. Take it one step further and try to reach the end. Defeat the Ender Dragon with it. You just look at the Ender Dragon, they explode. The pandas. Don't look at the pandas either. BRB gonna gurgle some hydrogen. Oh wait, because that helps with sore throats. All right, cool. I thought you were saying something else. I was like, damn, I didn't think it was that bad. No, wait, no, no, no. I didn't fix anything. I didn't change anything. Stop, 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 stop. Okay. So let's get rid of this. Okay, I do want... Yes. Ninetail is having a breakdown. Yeah. I'm sorry, Ninetail. Okay, I want this to be an int again. The piggies. You just gotta not look at them. Main problem likely won't be beating the Ender Dragon, but actually getting to the end in the first place because of the eyes. Oh, you're right, yeah. Okay, let's see. Maybe we just do 100. Maybe this is what we need to do. What is the delta frame time? Okay, well now that's just going by too quickly. 1 Mississippi, 2... Yeah, that's... Maybe it's like 300. I feel like I'm just like manually testing everything. Okay, but for real, it'd be so cool if you could teach me some coding thing one day. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Here, I'll teach you the most basic. Here's gonna be the easiest coding of your life. Okay, so first download Visual Studio Code. Next, go to a file path and create a new file in Python. Then do print hello world. Then save it, I guess. Hello world.py, even though that's the one we'll replace it. And then run it. There you go, you made code. Oh yeah. Also, yeah, the website is codecademy.com. That's a website that will actually teach you a little bit better than I will. But yeah, it's a good website. That's how I originally learned how to code. Like, I had a class, but most of that class was like, okay, you need to get to this module of Code Academy by the end of this week, and that was pretty much the whole class. Like, so yeah, I recommend starting with Python because that's one of the easier programming languages to learn. It's also my favorite programming language. It's very fun to work with, and it's a lot more simple. Then Java, probably, if you want to make mods for Minecraft, then Java would be the next one. But don't go straight into making mods. Just learn Java for a while, because this uses some complicated stuff already, like event handlers and stuff that is just a little bit tricky. So yeah, I'd say take the Python course, then take the Java course, then you can start working on making Minecraft mods. That's my homework for you. Anyone who wants to learn how to code, that's my homework for you. Go to codeacademy.com, do the Python course. You get an A if you open codeacademy.com, and you get an A+ if you actually do complete the course. Okay, so let's see, is this actually going to be proper time now? Because I think that the frame time is assuming 30 frames per second, and then when it changes frame rates, it's actually just doing weird calculations. The delta frame is not actually changing once you go past 30 frames per second. One Mississippi. Okay. Wait. Forgot to do divide by 3. Okay. Try that again. This is just dumb math stuff, honestly. Because I think what's happening is, do I need to know math to know this? Usually no. Most coding stuff you actually don't need to know math stuff with, which is a common misconception. Everyone seems to think that you need to know math in order to code. You don't need to know much math. Unless you're doing, like, weird vector stuff for, like, what's with the creepy music? I'm just playing the Celeste soundtrack, and we're on the creepiest song in it. I'll skip it. If you do vector stuff, then you need to learn linear algebra, which is one of the more complicated math things to know in general. So don't do vector stuff. You're fine. You don't have to skip it. I just didn't know where it was coming from. Yeah, it's music from Celeste, and there's a creepy level, and so it had the music from the creepy level playing. I will learn coding, and then I shall create a horseshoe crap game. Hell yes, do it. You got this. Learn coding. If you want to make your own game, I recommend using Unity Game Engine. That's like the best game engine that I know of for making your own games. Okay. Let's do 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Perfect, perfect. That's exactly what we want. Because that seems like it's about a second. All right, so now... Wait, what was good for making games? Unity Game Engine. That's a good way to start out. Making games. Do I have Unity installed? Yeah, I have Unity on my computer. Why am I opening it? I'm not gonna do anything in Unity right now because Unity slows down my computer like hell. Unity will slow down your computer a bit. You can run it no matter how good or bad your computer is. It's going to slow everything else down. So, yeah. All right. Alrighty. So now we need to make font render. Wait, hold up. It's saying, like, Minecraft. Okay, so that would be mob explosion dot Minecraft dot entity render. Okay, so that's not a thing anymore. Does it have font? Draw. Okay, so that's how we're gonna do this. We need to do font draw. I just don't know what a post stack, what any of these inputs need to be. I've returned though my device is on 4%. Oh no! Plug in your device. Please try. So if you if I disappear again, you know why. Fair enough. I'm gonna go read through the Python stuff. I think. Thanks, babes. Absolutely. I'm going to become a genius like you. I'm not a genius at all. I really appreciate that though. Yeah. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your night. Time to hyperfixate on learning how to code. It's gonna feel slow at first. That's just because any skill is like that. Just a warning. It's gonna feel slow at first, but over time it's gonna get more. It's gonna make more and more sense. So yes, hyperfixation. Here I come. Hell yes. What does post stack mean? Okay, let's just search fonts.draw Minecraft Forge. Sure. Draw text on screen. Font render. Okay. Wait, is there a draw string option? That would be easier. No, there's not. Tomorrow I shall begin Code Academy courses. I do think I'm gonna go to sleep now though, because it's like 11:45 and I should probably get some sleep. So hope stream goes well. All right, cool. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you, Rabbity. I think mentally I was mixing Rabbity and frogs together. But I hope you have a wonderful rest of your night. Thank you so much for stopping by. I don't understand. Draw. Okay, draw. Utilities mod? I don't think that's anything, is it? No. It is not. Alright, cool. How do I draw text on screen? That's from last year. Text? There's texture here. I want texture. I just want to write text to screen. I want the timer to appear on screen, and then after when the timer hits 0, I want to do something. But right now, all I need to do is have my timer appear on screen, and then I will be happy with today's stream. Wait, oh my gosh, yes, this is perfect. Okay. I found the GitHub for the font class. That's perfect. Okay, so that means that I can look at what methods are in here. And then if I can look at what the hell a pose stack is. Okay, that doesn't clarify anything for me. Alright, well, this is what I was looking at for before, which is very nice. I'm glad I found this. Okay. Pose stack Minecraft. I'm back and I'm scared. It's asking what program I want to write. Do I have any limits? I'm scared. I don't know what you mean by that. Let's see. I'll pop in. Do I have a login for Code Academy still? I might not. Let's see. I'll just sign in with Facebook real quick. Oh my goodness, my profile is so old. Okay, just go, click on catalog, click on Python, and take the new to Python start here course. Here you go. Go to that website. And if it asks, like, anything, I don't know how to help you. I'm sorry. You can screenshot it and DM me what it is it's asking you, and I might be able to help then. But I don't know if I'll be able to help otherwise. Alright, fair enough. I'm sorry, yeah, I just won't know. I just don't know what you're seeing, you know? Okay, so... Providing questions and answers from Discord. How to scale and translate text. I just want text on there. Can I just write some text? Please? This is not... Everyone's like, oh, you just write the text. I'm like, I don't know how you're doing that. How the fuck are you doing that? Hmm? This song's so good. Honestly, this whole soundtrack's just so good. Okay, I'm going back in time. I'm going back in time. We're going back to the future. Okay, so we've got tick handlers. Didn't we find something that said that you can write to screen on every tick? Right. Screen. Minecraft Forge on Forge render on screen. This is what it... Oh, wait, no. Because this person was using font render. They were able to just do draw string with shadow and the text. I'm like, I don't know how you did that, sir. I'm not sure how you did this. Mob explosion. Okay, mob explosion dot Minecraft dot draw. No. What was it? Font dot draw. I don't know what post stack is supposed to be. I just don't. I don't know what P... What... I don't know what P is. What P92890 is. I just don't know. Okay, we'll just keep that null. We're just gonna see what happens if we keep that null. And then do... Picker. Bye. Wait. Let's make a variable. Yeah. No. Float. Timer. String equals this whole mess. And then timer string. Timer string. Well. This is actually not a string. I should make this a string so that I'm not lying in the name. Alright, so we're casting it twice. In one go. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, hello. I haven't gotten a spam bot in a while. How do I... Okay, let's do timeout. Yeah, well, I guess we could just ban, huh? Ban. Goodbye. Goodbye. So long. Bye-bye. Die indeed. And all my mods went to bed, I think. Well, I guess Ninetale's still here. No, Ninetale's gone for a second. And Rabdi is in bed, so Okay. Let's just draw the text at 0, 0, 0. I wish there was a way to make it so it's floating. So does that mean I can do 0.5? Is that gonna do halfway across the screen? 2.5? X would be the left and right, Y is this way. Float, float, and what is... Oh, it doesn't like null. New pose stack. There we go. Welcome in, pose stack. Whatever you are, you're there now. Oh, double, because I need to do F at the end. Okay. Wait, so can this be null? I don't know what post stacks are, but we're just gonna try that there and see. Oh, I just realized, I think it's just gonna draw a bunch of these UI objects on top of each other and it's gonna lag the game out. Let's find out. Yep. Let's see. Show failures. Command. Yep, there was an error in there. Okay, so I think the null. We'll do new post stack. Oh wait, is this duration? Let's do 0.1. Wait, no, is it an integer? So 1. Maybe that's the number of frames. Yeah, so just 1. That's fine. Okay. Try this. See if we crash the game again. Yep, we did. Failed task for run client command. Okay, yeah, so we just got another error. Think that drawing on this is not working. So let's just do Minecraft 1.19. How to draw on screen. That sounds... How do I draw on my screen? Fabric. I need forge, not fabric. Let's see. Overlay registry. Add things to HUD. What? I've never heard of an overlay registry. Okay. So that's just another registry then. So I don't know. I don't know. Why is writing on text on the screen so difficult? I didn't expect it to be so difficult. Alright, you know what? We're gonna hold off on writing text to the screen. Because it just isn't working. We've got a countdown timer that is working. So let's see if we can spawn mobs. How to spawn mobs with mod. Minecraft Forge. How do I summon mobs from a mod? Couldn't really find the spawn egg code, so I tried item snowball since it spawns entity snowball. Change a couple variables. That's not helpful. How do I spawn? How do I spawn? I want to spawn the mobs. Events, sure. Creating an event handler. Is there an event for... I don't think events is actually where we want to be. Resources? No. Okay. How to spawn mob in Forge. Minecraft. Mob spawnings. Okay, you know what? We'll mute this tutorial. Turn on closed captions. Okay. Spawn egg item. Interesting. Okay. You know what? We have a timer. My brain is starting to turn into mush and blowing out of my earballs. Earballs? I guess that shows off how little my brain is working at the moment. So, I think for now, we're gonna call that good. I'm Eepy. So tomorrow we're gonna be playing games with Rowan and Jessica. I'm probably, when I have extra time, I'm probably gonna keep working on this. And I'll let you guys know the updates if I stream this again. But yeah, thank you guys so much for sticking around. This was super fun. Oh, you said accidentally swallowed some hydrogen. Wait. Oh, you said you were gonna gargle it earlier. I just barely saw you accidentally swallowed some hydrogen peroxide. You should not do that. Don't swallow hydrogen peroxide. Anyways. On that note, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you all so much. Who do we raid? I'm thinking... Let's go raid Prince Raccoon. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to. It's a party over there. It's always great. And in the meantime, if you guys stick around for the raid, you get extra channel points, so you can contribute towards things like the goal for the Matrix stream. We're at 19%. We've got 17 days left. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. And I will see you guys over there. Bye!